More Instagram, more YouTube, more Twitter. How's everybody feel today? Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and get to it. Well, either way here, I'm kind of, obviously this could continue both ways, right? This could just continue pumping bearish while while gold can honestly keep pushing up, right? 2077, like the higher highs, like the highest of highs, really. It has an easy potential to start going towards that, but you know, obviously we have an opportunity as well to potentially enter sales on this if candles close bearish. If we can start getting like a rejection towards that shit. Um, Pound yen, we could form support. We're nearing an area where there is a lot of supports being formed, so could have a bunch of built up money in this area, and you know we'll see how it goes. But until then, we just gotta stay light on our toes. What the fuck? Sheesh. Chat, honestly, I might be a little risky on this one. We could potentially enter sales here on the close of this 15-minute candle, and then potentially I might even like to re-enter as well and try and add 2 positions. So make sure my mic is clearly being able to be heard. I feel like I'm kind of talking quiet, but should be alright. But yeah, so looking to probably take an entry here on the 15-minute. About to pretty much do a top-down analysis here in a second. 20, 32, 19, 32. Something like that. So we got about 2 minutes left in this candle. Alright, about to be taking a relatively risky position here on this 15-minute. Reason why it's risky because it is a lower time frame. You know, it's going to be kind of like a less stronger time frame. If that makes sense. Ooh, we got 30 seconds.
shift everything over and hit the ground running. I was easily able to migrate my products and all of my customer information over. We would not be able to go on the road without a platform that we can rely on. Start your free trial with Shopify today.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. So when I first looked at this, kind of like when I forgot I had my charts on the MT5 on the 30-minute charts, and I saw that this wick came down. Wait, let me just go back. So this is a 30-minute chart, and when I was looking at this, I was like, wow, did I totally miss the fact that I entered here and the price already went down here? I was like, that was probably already 30 pips. I was like, what the hell was I thinking? And I remembered, I was like, oh yeah. I was like, I entered on the 15-minute and the 30-minute. That was the previous 15-minute candle. So I was like, whew. At first, I thought the split second of me messing with my YouTube messed that up. I was like, wow. Excuse me. So we always gotta understand, guys, that this is part of trading as well. Just having drawdown. Can't have a perfect positions every time. So it's something that we gotta deal with. Obviously, this is very, very bullish trend. So, you know, I gotta keep in the back of my head that, you know, could easily just be, you know, we'll see what's going on. But I'd like to imagine that it couldn't be too hard to get 30 pips out of start of a rejection, right? And it will be further helping if when this 30-minute closes. We're gonna have NYC coming in here very soon. So if we can at least keep this 30-minute candle bearish, I think that's what will really help us here in having a successful trade today. Whew. Got about like 8 minutes till this next candle, or till this bearish candle fully closes. So like to see how this turns out for us. I got good hopes that we can remain bearish for this 30-minute candle. It's my anticipation. Felt confident in that, so that's exactly why I entered the 15-minute. Had a good feeling the 30-minute would close bearish. good hopes. We still got about 7 minutes, guys. So far, the most we've been about maybe 12 pips profit so far, so nothing too crazy, right? Just kind of just keep maintain, just cool it. Once we hit our 1-to-1, I'll go ahead and potentially close full. I might just close half. Might close half and see how that does, and then see if I can get any more. Man, producer price index, man, it really pushed up though. That was a quite an impressive push. Pretty sure it's producer price index and unemployment claims as well. I actually put unemployment claims for CPI yesterday, but that's not what happened. There was no unemployment claims yesterday. That was meant. I had today in mind when I wrote that down for some reason. And then once we're able to do that, we can actually kind of risk manage here once this candle closes. So I'm like, I got really excited for this candle to close, to be honest. Feels like the longest 5-6 minutes of my life. Oh my guys, boy, look at the sell off here. Can we fill this wick? Yes, we can. Come on, baby, let's fill this wick. I'm gonna actually try and close half when we fill this wick. That's pretty much 30 pips. That's where my initial take profit will be. After that, I will move my stop loss as well. Double checking I got my fingers in the right position. What the fuck? The worst time that shit could pop up? Holy fuck. Come on, baby. Gotta talk a little sweet to pound yen, you know, or to go. My goodness. Give me that little squeeze, baby. Come on. Just a little over a minute till this candle closes. Thankfully, we should be closing bearish here on the 30 minute. Currently on my MT5, I am on the 15 minute. We're gonna start risk managing. Probably start to come back up, but this is the close of the 30-minute candle, so that is the good news. But at the end of the day, definitely want to be closing above that. Trying to reduce the risk as much as possible. So literally, guys, we probably got a few, maybe 30 seconds left in this candle, and then we're gonna have another candle open. It'll be the open of the 30-minute, and we're gonna have NYSE volume. So with that being said, I don't know, NYSE could make it flip, and also could help us in our bias in our current position. It just really depends. Man, once I brace past these wicks, I'd feel so good. I want this so bad, to be honest. I really want to try something new on the stream today, and I really want to do it once we hit 30 pips. Just gotta get a little bit more of a push down here. I feel like the way I look like I'm like as focused as like Nick Merckx. Except I'm on the trades. I'm not trying to squat wipe, but either way, they both difficult. But I just looked at myself in that mirror. I feel like that's what I look like, or not the mirror, but the webcam. Whew, this play is this 15-minute candle though, man. It's been playing with me, dude. It goes right back here every time, and it's like I just need to go a little bit further, and it keeps rejecting. It's kind of like it's a little frustrating, to be honest, chat. being difficult. We were so close. I feel like if it starts breaking past, well, we'll just keep holding. I'm probably gonna go super risk management here in a second. You gotta understand that there needs to be some type of, yeah, fuck that. Yeah, at this point, I'd rather do this. So what I did is I 50% at least took a little bit of something from this trade, so it's not too much. We were close. I tried to get the whole 30. I was really starting to see, since we have so much of a range here, I was thinking in my head, I'd like to 50% 30 pips, because generally, hold on.
I'll share my screen so we can track our progress in Smartsheet.
Looks like the design phase is at risk.
I'm free.
Thanks for offering to help, Eli.
I got you, B.
Great work, guys. We're back on track. I'll schedule the pre-launch meeting and see you tomorrow.
What is going on, dude? Holy. Okay, so what I was trying to say, guys, that ad was crazy annoying. Glasses, bro. What's up, doggy? Hella good to see you, bro. Top of the morning, man. So the idea here, when I took this sell position, we are very close, right? 30 pips was my original stop loss. So with 30 pips being said, I gotta have an initial take profit of 30 pips as well. We're about 25 pips, 26, 27 pips right here. I mean, we're like 3 pips away. It was very unfortunate, right? NYSE volume, I got a little nervous. We started rejecting back up. My original idea, once we hit 30 pips, I was going to try something new. Generally, when I had 30 pips, sometimes I'll just completely close full. Or other times, I'll close 90% to secure most profits, let the rest run. So there's like less of a like, oh, like, you know what I'm saying, if it hits my stop loss at break even, like, you know what I'm saying, like I would have profited less. Today I was willingly to profit less. I was gonna 50% my trade, and yeah, so that's no big deal. So got broke out, I broke even, but either way, it was to 50% at 30 pips, and then let the rest run and see how much, you know, that would be, could extend the play to be more profitable than the 1.5% entry. That was kind of my idea. It's kind of like my thought process behind that. But you know, candle started flipping. It's a very, very bullish trending market right now, so I have to keep that in mind. You know, even though we're closing on a 30-minute bearish, it doesn't fully matter, because you always got to expect these liquidity wicks to be relatively big, especially with such volume. And not to mention, it is the first 30-minute wick. The hourly is yet to close, you know, so we have to close for we have to wait for that hourly to give even a better confirmation. So felt great, honestly. Yeah, bro, Glacius, thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate you tuning in, bro. Hella good to see you, my boy. But yeah, I just wanted to keep it, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gambling, dog, you know? And Glacius, 100%, you, witty wigs, chain trades, you guys know what it means to, you know what I'm saying, have good risk management, because in this position, you know, it's easy to just hold, right? But it's another thing once you actually hit a full stop loss and you're like 3 pips away from take profit. You go from 3 pips away from take profit to an actual loss, and that would be frustrating. And I've hella been there before, so I can't say I haven't. Yeah, quite interesting though. Kind of frustrating, to be honest. I mean, there's multiple trades I've had where I'm like so close to take profit, and it is what it is. You know, even in that position, like my heart was racing. Like I'm like looking at this, I was very focused, and as I'm watching it, like it's like I got all this anxiety and stuff, like not anxiety, but like ooh, it's like I just feel like so anxious. That's the word, to just hit my take profit. You know what I'm saying? I'm so ready for it, and I'm thinking, I have those thoughts in my head. Oh, you know, like should I just do it right now? Cause it seems like it's slowing down, and the reason why it seems like it's slowing down, every time it came about 25, 24, 26 pips, it never went past that. It always kind of rejected it, and it was like, fuck. It was frustrating to watch, to be honest. But hey man, we're building good habits. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck yet. You know what I'm saying? It's not like, you know, I'd rather be doing what I'm doing now with a small little baby $1,400 account than a $25 to $50,000 account, even that's small technically in the world of forex. But you know, oh my God, that would be terrible. You're just taking big old chunks of money being seen, especially with the. You know what I'm saying? I feel like this is just good for me because it builds my experience. You know what I'm saying? If I can see how it looks like this with this, you know what I'm saying, a 1.5% and what that looks like with a $1,400 account, you know what I'm saying, opposed to $20,000, you know what I'm saying? Even though I understand, like, for instance, if I start doing that right now, I would look at that 1.5%. I would look at that, even though I know it's 1.5%, I mean, I know this now, right? But if I didn't know this stuff before, I would be looking at that like, damn, I'm taking huge losses. Like, holy shit. Oh, yeah, of course, bro, 100% that's me. Yes, sir, bro. I didn't even notice, bro, you like my shit, bro, even any of that, bro. So I was like, shit. I'm saying, once I saw you freaking, I thought you already followed me, bro, so I felt bad. I was like, oh, shit. I gotta follow my boy, because he be tapping in. You know what I'm saying? I like following the people that, you know what I'm saying, doing that same shit, trading too. Not trying to follow a guy, especially someone I don't know who don't trade. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of pointless. So like knowing that you trade, bro, and like everything like that, bro, and I know that you're trying to increase your type of trading skills, bro, and all we can do, like shit, you posted the other day, shit was dope as fuck. Practice, bro. This is literally what I'm doing right now. Is practice. It's real money, but it's nothing crazy, you know, and it's nothing to where it's like out of reach for anybody to at least relatively save. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing like wow, this guy. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of like what I like about it, and I think more and more in time, it's just gonna go crazy. It's gonna go real good for us, and that's why I'm happy that I got you, man. I found someone like you and a couple other people, man. Because if I keep showing this discipline, uh, I want to be like, I want to like spread it like a disease. You know what I'm saying? Get everybody to have that same type of discipline. Just get up on these charts, man, every day. Obviously, if you're feeling good, you don't feel good. It's not good to trade when you don't feel good mentally. But when you're there mentally, hell yeah, man. You know, I'm trying to get everybody to just get on that shit. Yeah, you good, Brody. Don't even trip, bro. It's not a big deal. Yeah, watch. Now, this is going to be the time this shit pushes down, right? We could have kept our stop losses where they were, but this I'd rather see it now like that than in the moment actually take that loss because I'm trying to build confidence. And even though I do know that, you know, holding your it's pretty good, you know what I'm saying, in a bearish trending market, like, you know what I'm saying, usually it's going to go lower lows and lower highs. So if it starts breaking those lower lows and lower highs, you know, clearly you know the trend is trending or changing. So, you know, could have held that relative, but you know what I'm saying, they didn't even go any further yet, so you'd still be on the border with that. You'd be like, ugh. So I'm just keeping that in my head too. Like, what if I kept my stop loss where it was, right? At this point, I'm happy with the decision I made personally, but you know what I'm saying, what if, right? You know what I'm saying? There's been a lot of times where you literally I just got to hold, and there's times where the stop loss be like right here, price wants to reject all the way up here. Maybe there's like 3 or 4 pips until it hits my stop loss, and then boom, it just plays out my whole probability of the 1.5%. I'm just like, wow. You know what I'm saying? That's another time that I feel fuck. You know, you're just like, damn, that shit crazy as hell. But that's the power of Forex and shit. That's why I like it. It's difficult. If everybody could do it, shit, everybody would be trying to do this shit. But nobody does it because they understand that shit hard. Most people lose money. So yeah. I like challenging myself. So I think it's just a good way to challenge my mind, and you know, I like how money moves, and I think this is a good way to keep increasing my knowledge in regards to like political, like global issues. Um, Give me a better understanding of just in general macroeconomics. Uh, Understand interest rates a little bit better, how interest rates how interest rates affect us on a trickling level as well, like starting from the forex market down to us as a consumer, right? Just very interesting, bro. Like all this type of shit is just super interesting. But pound yen, wow, has just been flooding. I mean, very cool stuff. Pound yen has been going crazy. I wonder when this candle ended up breaking, because honestly, this was the entry on this candle. This is the little consolidation period with pound yen. I mean, you'd have to keep in mind you still got all this consolidation here that has a huge potential, but depending on when this candle closes, if it was like 7 a.m. New York session or like 8 a.m., right? I don't think that'd be 8 a.m., but you know what I'm saying? Could be with that volume, give that nice push. So let me see how I could. And the reason why I say those things is so I can give myself confirmation. So when I see it next time, I'm like, okay, I understand this time frame and this time period. This is when it did that. Let me go back 30. Oh yeah, that was definitely like 6 a.m. type shit. Oh no, 7. So this is the very, very beginning of New York session. This is the open of New York session. Absolutely insane. This was something to pay attention to. How big was this range? This range, in my opinion, has to be at least 30 pips, right? You have to think like shit. Yeah, see, that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, this would have been a hard play to get. Because, like, playing it safe type shit, I would probably be thinking in my head this range is small, and then I would see all this consolidation here. This is a nice, strong, bullish, bearish candle. I do like that. It closed below the body candles of these wicks here in that consolidation. So, and it closed in a very, very, I was about to say a volume time, but that just sounded fucked up. Yeah, basically in a time with a lot of volume, so it made that push down so smooth. Very, 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 very cool. I was looking at this and I just totally just disregarded it this morning. I looked at it at 7 in the morning. I checked my phone and I was like, I'll hop on the stream a little bit later. And I was anticipating getting that reverse bias there on the cold position for the stream. And I've been trying to focus more on turning my stream. I said 7 in the morning usually I turn on my stream, but lately I've been kind of watching the charts a little bit and you know, starting my stream relatively when I think there's about 15 minutes before a candle I think I'm going to be entering on the next one. You know what I'm saying? About give it a 15-minute wait period or something like that. Instead of like 2 hours I don't do shit besides talk and then I fucking enter a trade. You know what I'm saying? That's cool whenever like I got like 100,000 people following me, you know what I'm saying? Or like, you know what I'm saying, hella followers, right? That'd be like I could have like hosts and guests and people like, you know what I'm saying, XYZ. And you know, especially with that type of level, I definitely want to have a Zoom service up by that point. But yeah, right now since I'm like small and shit, I'd rather just be like actions speak louder than words. I'd rather just get to it. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather just whenever I'm about to enter my trade, start my stream within like, you know, between that time. I know it makes it a little spotty for my viewers, which kind of sucks, but it's ultimately kind of like a podcast right now, you know? So like if you guys get the notification, you guys can always tap in, and you know what I'm saying, if you guys are at work, put it in your headphones maybe, can kind of listen, tune in for like 5-10 minutes, see what the hell I'm saying, see if I've already exited the trade, entered the trade. You know what I'm saying? I want people to just type whatever they want to say. Hey, bro, have you closed your trade, enter your trade, you know, anything, bro. I don't give a fuck. I would never be like, bro, what the fuck? Trying to just get signals or something like that. You know, I don't care like shit. As long as you just understand and keep your risk, you be alright. But if you're over leveraging, buddy, shit, boy, you can hurt yourself. And I ain't gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? Just 'cause I took a loss. You know what I'm saying? Like, shoot. But anyways, it always be on. You know what I'm saying? It's always gotta hold accountability at the end of the day. You're the one pressing the button. I'm the one pressing the button. So you know what I'm saying? I gotta get that loss how I get it. But shit, boys, I really got nothing else to say. Really, this could be a good opportunity for retracement play, but I mean, this retracement play got many things in my head. Like, if it closed below this, I wouldn't want to enter because I'm just worried. If it closes above this, I might feel like entering, to be honest, because, like, we do have until 2077 until that's, like, the all-time highs, which is huge. It's actually a long ways away. I was about to do this on MT5. Hold on. So, basically, hold on. I'm trying to do this for the Discord purposes. Son of a beer. Where the hell is the thing? There it is. Some shit like this. Oh, that's cap. And not go 30 pips. I don't got my positioning exactly on this, but it's relatively the same. I gotta go on the 15 minute. I can't remember exactly. I can't remember where. I'll update that in a second. I can't remember where exactly I did that. More importantly, I'd like to see. Yeah, that's crazy as hell. There's a bunch of room for this to move up. Sheesh. Like, damn, dog. I love trading Forex. This shit is so amazing. I'm not gonna lie, this shit made me so happy. I'd be like staying up late. I'd be thinking about this shit, put a smile on my face. And honestly, I think that's the biggest thing in life, for real. Is like, once you find a purpose, like something you really, really, really like damn, dog, this shit really just. After that, as long as you're in a groove, right? You got a little something to keep getting the pay in, keep your bills paid. You know what I'm saying? Past that, if you know you're grinding for something that's definitely gonna increase your financials, but you like it at the same time, I really like, fucking lit. All right, boys. Well, I think I'm just gonna call it a stream, guys. It was a great time talking with you guys. I think at this point, if it keeps pushing up, guys, honestly, it has a huge potential to keep doing that, especially if we break above this resistance here. Um, Trend is very, very bullish. You know, this is like a prime example of how you can actually make that happen there. Um, at the end of the day, we're profitable, but not by much at all. Not even a 1%. So can't really say we're very profitable at all right there today. But I am happy with how I trade managed. And only thing I could have said is I could have 50%ed when I was at least like at 27 pips. But I really wanted to try something new. I can't lie, so I can't even be mad about that. Because personally, what I wanted to try so bad was instead of closing full or closing 90%, I wanted to close 50% at 30 pips, my initial take profit. And then in good hopes, right? In good hopes, price keeps going down. That would take my 1.5% to the next level. Like, that'd be an easy 2.5, 3% trade, right? So I'd like to see how that works. But alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much. Glassy is my boy, man. I appreciate you tapping in today. It was really great seeing you, bro. Let's keep hustling, man. Let's keep getting this money up. And, yeah, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Before I hop off, I always do this, man. Damn. I want to check the news really quick. So we got core retail sales tomorrow, okay, and we got prelim. If from my experience, since we already had this news, we had producer price index, and it did go as crazy as it did. This news isn't gonna do shit to the markets. Honestly, it's just gonna be, it's gonna come out, and ain't shit really gonna change. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not as crazy as you think. But then prelim has good volume for some reason, but like I said, this is from previous experience. Every experience can be relatively different. So I'd like to see how consistent they stay with that. Like, this is my pre-thought on how core retail sales is going to go by tomorrow. And retail sales, 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. If you have an entry, obviously, if the entry looks good, you know what I'm saying, you got confluences, take your position. When do I feel like most of the volume will kick in? 9 a.m. 100%. 9 a.m. right around New York Stock Exchange. Yeah. Well, guys, I'll be excited to be trading prelim University of Michigan's consumer sentiment, and I'll be talking with you guys very soon. Everybody have a great day. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow for prelim, and yeah, most likely start around 7 a.m. Probably will, because I want to catch this on live too. I want to have both. Since I did speak this theory, I'm gonna definitely try and get up on 7 a.m. for sure. Not even try. I will be on 7 a.m. And yeah, we'll take a look at the news, how it goes. Take a trade as best we can, and avoid spread as best as possible. I didn't want to enter the trades this today with PPI. spread for me personally was a little too high for entries, unless I wanted to be risky and enter before, and I didn't feel that risky. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow.